today we will be discussing the metals chapter. Remember, V up always. And the hundreds. Okay, so let us move on to properties of metals. Now, there are three groups of metals. We have group 1, which are alkaline metals. Group 2, which are alkaline earth metals. We have transition elements. And group 3, which are post-transition metals. And then they have high melting and boiling points. They are malleable and ductile. Malleable meaning they can be drawn into sheets, and ductile meaning they can be drawn into wires. They are good conductors of electricity and heat. They are sonorous and shiny when polished. Sonorous meaning they make a tongue sound when you strike them. They have high density. They are strong. Moving on to non-metals, we have group 7, which are halogens, and group 8, which are noble gases. They have low melting and boiling points. Apart from the giant covalent structures which are formed, they are brittle. They are bad conductors of electricity and heat, except for graphite. They look dull. And they have low density. Now we look at the general chemical properties of metals. So firstly, they react with dilute acid to form salts, and hydrogen is given off. They react with oxygen to form basic oxides. They form ionic compounds. And the metals form positive ions known as cations. And reactive metals have a strong drive to give off electrons. Meanwhile, with non-metals, they react with oxygen to give off acidic oxides. It dissolves in water to give acid solutions. They form ionic compounds with metals and they form anions, the negative ions. They form covalent bonds when reacting with each other. Then we shall compare metals for reactivity. Firstly, let's look at sodium. It has a violent reaction with cold water. As you can see over here, it whizzes over the surface. This is a sodium, by the way. And hydrogen gas in clear solution of sodium hydroxide is formed. Here is the equation. 2Na solid plus 2H2O liquid gives us 2NaOH aqueous plus H2 gas. Then we look at calcium. So calcium has a slower reaction. The hydrogen bubbles off and cloudy calcium hydroxide is formed. So you can see the solution is a bit cloudy. This is the calcium hydroxide. By the way, all of these solutions, both of these solutions at least, they are basic. And so is MgO, it's basic. It forms a basic solution.